Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do a love read for you. Libra, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you, so take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin here. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Libra, let's start with the Ganesha Oracle card and a blessing from my angels to top the reading, and then we'll get on with the read. So Lord Ganesha, what is the message for Libra now for their love life? Blessing or an advice from you, please. And one from my angels. Blessing or an advice for Libra. Let's take this and let's take this. I'm going to put these back, Libra, and we'll start opening your cards now. Thank you, my angels. Thank you, Lord Ganesha. Okay. So Lord Ganesha gives you sustenance and speak your truth. So is there something, Libra, that you're looking for which can sustain you maybe for the long haul? Or you have not been putting in enough effort maybe in the past to sustain something, maybe a relationship? If so, I think it's time to speak your truth here, Libra. Let's see why these cards are here. Let's see the rest of our reading and see why these cards have come for you. So let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all your support to the channel. I'm very grateful. Thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. We meet here regularly, monthly, weekly, weekends, you name it, for all kinds of readings. So if you enjoy this one, do subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. And to the newbies, let me explain this. I'm just putting down two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your partner, and in the center, I have your mutual energies, right? So for the duration of this reading, I will be calling one side person A, one side person B, and in the center, I have your mutual energies. As I've already told you, my mind is getting distracted for some reason. Why is that? I mean, it's all over the place. I mean, this card says, speak the truth, Libra. And bottom of my deck, I saw this one as well, right? This is again, speak your truth. Ace of Swords. This is like clear communication. So I think this is required. And then I also see the Eight of Pentacles here. Somebody working hard to put some work in, right? Almost like what Lord Ganesha says. How are you going to sustain it without working or speaking up, right? So it's already starting to kind of fit together. This one was here, this one was here, and this one was here. So let's start with person A and see what the story is here. Page of Cups, the Moon, King of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, Two of Wands, and the Wheel of Fortune. Let's see for person B. They have the Eight of Wands, Queen of Wands, the Emperor, Ace of Pentacles, Two of Cups, and the Devil. I think on person A's part, now I don't know which side you are, Libra, you'll have to tell me. I mean, after you hear both sides, you'll know which side is you. But on person A's side, I do see somebody is wanting to come forth with an apology, right? There is some relationship in trouble here, it seems, Libra, but person A is still having this fear of change. Maybe they don't want to let it go, they're holding on to it with all their might, and they do know that apology or a sorry is very required here, but things are very clouded right now. There's lots of secrets. Even though somebody here is feeling very loved up, they are feeling rather heartbroken at the same time, or maybe they feel they've broken somebody's heart and things are now, people are keeping secrets, things are not clear at all, people are getting very emotional, there is no wish fulfillment to be had right now in this relationship, and things have stagnated totally, right? Nothing to look forward to. Even though person A here wants to bring an apology but doesn't know how, because I think they're up in their head totally. They want to return desperately, but not knowing how, because the moon energy, kind of feeling very emotional and disturbed, and very what do you call it? Uh, Feeling very ungrounded, very ungrounded, because they feel there is somebody here. Like here's the King of Pentacles feeling very ungrounded about this Queen of Pentacles, who is a very angry, upset person. So something happened here which one person has to take an apology to the other. But I think this whole relationship has really fallen off balance here. And there's confusion, there's unhappiness. On person A side, they're still trying to not release it totally, even though they know that person B is probably really upset and angry with them at the moment. So even though they've made a decision, person A has made a decision of some sort, but they know that whatever has happened in the past has kind of backfired on them. Maybe they didn't offer a commitment in the past, or they snuck away from person B. Whatever they did, they know that this entire thing has backfired and led to some all this has created some bad memories from the past, right? Now person A is totally wrapped up into thinking of all that happened in the past, how things have kind of really bungled up now, it's like, and even though they want to apologize now, they don't know how. Yes, this person A is very restless, and they know that person B probably has released them from their energy, and but person B is not being able to move on either. They're kind of losing their strength, even though they know it was their fault. They are sad, depressed, and feeling nothing is working out. The sun is in reverse, strength is in reverse, and the Knight of Swords is in reverse as well. This whole thing is making them angry, upset, restless, because this Wheel of Fortune is now stuck. So let's see what's happening with person B. Person B has the Eight of Wands. I think person B had some communication with the person A about maybe a return or starting something new. This was a choice that was made. Oh, but this fell apart, I think. This fell apart because somebody was a magician in reverse. I think this person B had some communication with person A, but person A at that point came across as a trickster, or created illusions, did something mischievous which made person A turn their back on them, right? This is the Queen of Cups, who's very intuitive, very loving, very caring, but now I think has kind of gone into self-love. Earlier maybe they had a lot of love for person A, but right now I think they've totally dropped the ball on person A and pulled back their love, and they're sitting here in self-love, sitting on their throne, and taken back control and power in their own hands. They've decided, if you're not going to give me the Ten of Pentacles, the happiness, then I am going to take back my power, and I'm going to be in control of my own life. I'm no longer waiting for you to offer me anything, right? So can I have a card for the Emperor, Spirit? Emperor. Yes, this person is no longer now waiting for person B at all. It's almost like they've released their love for person A. They feel all the love that was maybe a potential between the two of you is lost. So I think they've taken back charge of their own life and their own abundance and their own happiness here. What about this Ace of Pentacles, Spirit? What's this Ace of Pentacles? Yeah, person B has become very upset and very angry. Exactly how person A is perceiving person B is exactly what they're all about. They're not wanting to take any passionate beginning with person A anymore. They are upset and angry big time, and they are maybe not even looking for a reconciliation right now, right? With the Ace of Pentacles in reverse energy. I think person B has realized that there is no Two of Cups or happiness with person A to be had, and whatever soulmate connection or love that was once felt is over, and person B is now in the process of releasing any toxicity that they felt in this relationship, or maybe this relationship is feeling a bit toxic to them and they're feeling that it's over and it's better that I remove myself from this partnership or friendship altogether. Yeah, they're no longer even waiting for any kind of love offer from person A, and I think rejecting it, maybe not physically but emotionally, they are kind of in that space where they are not looking for it anymore. So one more card, Spirit. Or maybe they were expecting person B to come towards them and they didn't, and that's why they're feeling the loss of love. Yeah, there was a lot of fighting here, I think. There was a lot of battle, there was a lot of competition. Maybe there were other people in the mix in this relationship, and that's the reason person B is now sorry. Sorry, no, my throat chakra suddenly shut down. One second. So yeah, there were too many people in the mix, too many people competing for the attention of person A, and yeah, so person B has kind of shut them off and said, "Hey, listen, I'm not going to be one of your many competing for you." So the devil in reverse, Spirit. What's the devil in reverse? Devil in reverse. Person B is no longer interested in working with person A anymore, and they have put a complete halt. Things have really stagnated. There is very little forward movement, maybe not at all. If there is, it will be like barely anything now. Person B is kind of given up. Yeah, can you imagine? The devil is clarified by the devil in reverse. They are on that mission to release any toxic energy around them. And as of now, Libra, I don't know whether this is you releasing it. Person B is considering the relationship with person B as toxic, which may have seemed like a beautiful relationship of the Two of Cups is now being seen as a toxic and an unhealthy relationship. Wow. So let's see what's in your mutual energy now. Seven of Swords, yes. There has been sneaky behavior, lying behavior, strength in reverse, and the Judgment. Okay, so that's one positive card here. Let's start from the Seven of Swords. What's the Seven of Swords, Spirit, for the mutual energy? Both are feeling that, because of whatever's happened in the past, all this sneaky lying behavior, maybe one person kind of snuck away or maybe the other person snuck away later, whatever happened between the two of you, it left both of you feeling in this situation of feeling abandoned, left out in the cold, nobody giving each other attention, not looking out for the other person, and both are right now feeling that this relationship is now at its end, right? Because of why? Because of this Seven of Swords behavior where somebody was caught maybe cheating, lying, or just left the relationship. Strength in reverse, Spirit. This is strength in reverse for the two of them. I think both of you are feeling weak now, but both of you struggling hard to release this relationship, Libra. There may have been a lot of love at one point, but I think none of you had the strength to open up and reveal your true emotions. There were a lot of hidden love and hidden emotions here, and because neither of you had the strength to open up, neither of you had the strength to speak your truth, Libra. Now it makes sense. There was a problem of this Ace of Swords, not having clarity of communication, and that's the reason you guys couldn't sustain this relationship, because neither of you worked towards it, right? There was things hidden and never really revealed. So what's this Judgment now, Spirit? Is there a chance of a rebirth of this connection? One more. One more card. One more card. So much love here, Libra. What a waste of energy. My God. Okay, both of you are still being very defensive, Libra. Both of you are being very defensive. This is such a beautiful equal match. King of Cups to the Queen of Cups, right? But the problem here is for a possibility is there for a rebirth or a renewal of this relationship, because you both know that you both make each other very happy. Queen of Cups, King of Cups, wish fulfillment and rebirth. All this is possible for you, Libra, but the problem here is this Ace of Swords, which is in reverse. No clear communication. Nobody is really investing in this right now. Nobody is putting in the work. That's the reason this Ace of Pentacles is right now in reverse. If this goes on for too long, Libra, and if you don't work on this, this chapter may just come to a complete halt soon, right? So this is going to be a case of unrequited love. Only because nobody here is speaking their truth. You may not just be able to sustain this feeling for too long. Person B has already kind of almost given up. Person A is feeling stuck, wishing for it, but not making a move. Just holding on. They're just holding on to a dead energy without, you have to turn this card upright to have this transformation. But here, person A has a bit of fear of change. So they are keeping quiet, and even though they want to come forward with an apology or a sorry or something, they are right now totally stuck with the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. So, of course, after that you have free will, Libra. If you're watching this reading, I'm warning you, this is coming to an end very soon without any action taken. That's all I have for you, Libra. You take care of yourself, love and light, and I'll see you soon with your next reading. Namaste.